This is Dr. Z from the year 20.23. This is QShaft Broadcast 22. This episode is directed to S, KD, TF, and P. You have mentioned to me that you first heard about the sphere and cuboid in this QShaft. That gave you several years to think about these objects before they were discovered in your time. Within several years of your present, one of the Huon pine trees in Tasmania, Australia, will die a natural death. When this happens, a group of scientists will remove the tree to a more formal laboratory location. They will x-ray the tree's lower trunk and will find a small sphere and cuboid embedded there. The scientists will determine that the sphere and cuboid were placed in a carved-out section of the tree when the tree was about 50 years old. Some of the bark grew around the sphere and cuboid, leaving them hidden from sight and marking the time of their embedding. The tree was determined to be approximately 2,150 years old. The sphere and the cuboid were determined to have been placed in the tree approximately 2,100 years ago. This was all quite amazing. Then the scientists started analyzing the sphere and cuboid. Eventually, the length of the cuboid was determined to be the square root of 2 when assigning a value of 1 to the width of the cuboid. The more accurately the width and length were measured, the closer the length came to the value of the square root of 2. The sphere was a perfect sphere. Every measurement of a diameter was exactly the same. This measurement was the same as the width of the cuboid, which again was represented as the value 1. Thus, using these references, the circumference of the sphere became pi. The more accurately the circumference was measured, the closer it came to the value of pi. Finally, the weight of the sphere was exactly the exponential e times the weight of the cuboid. The scientists will try to do non-destructive analysis to determine what, if anything, is inside both objects. They will not be able to do this without bringing in expert help. My charge to you four is to determine why the sphere and cuboid were put where they were. Also, you need to determine what the measurement of the height of the cuboid represents. No one will seem to know.